welcome to SoSo Says with Sophia Nicole Beatty. Thanks for tuning in. Now, here's your host, SoSo.
We just got back from Mustang, and this is how it went.
The military, veterans, and first responders, please rise. Stand up, Zach. Stand up, Zach.
So, first we're going to feed my cats since they're inside, so let's go get their food and water bowl. I'll show you their container that we keep it in, but I guess they didn't eat their food. Yeah, I'm going to go rinse. Yeah, y'all can come with, because I'm nice, so we're just going to throw it away, and try to get this out. Hang on. Something like water got into the food and it's sticking. So, this is my sink. We're just gonna rub it with water. I'm a good cleaner. Okay. So, anyways, while we're ow, you hurt my finger. Okay. Good. Sorry. Okay, so while that's, don't you like things upside down? Hey, crew! Yep, that's my brother. You guys probably never met him, have you? His name is Max. Anyways, I'm gonna pour this water. Perfect. So the food is down here. They don't get food special like my dog does, because my dog's getting old, so we're just trying to treat him well. So, food. We use this Maximus seafood medley. I don't know. So I have this measuring cup and two forks, two for each cat. I mean, it's not a lot of food, but it's better than like filling at the top where they can waste. That's how much food it is. And pat it down, make sure. Okay. Perfect. In there. And then we're gonna fill it with the water off. So, now we're gonna give them water. And this is the cat that's here. I don't know where the other cat is. It's raining outside. I have food and water for the dog, so it's a bit of food. So, here's this adult food. We love this brand. So I'm just gonna fill it up with a few cups. Grab the cup, maybe about 2. Two's enough. And then this one. So now we're gonna grab what food? Here my YouTube video. My hamster will be fed tomorrow. My sister's fish I don't feed. So yeah, both the cats are fed. They're eating kibble in the water. We'll give them time. Usually I give them in the measuring cup I showed you. I give them at least 2 more when I'm going to bed while I feed sugar 1 more can. They're not sponsored, but this pedigree brand keeps my dog healthy. He is an old dog, so he needs to stay healthy. Maximus is awesome too, but let me show you. His lips are like infected by like cat food he's been having, and we think it's like the wet food he's having, and it's by Friskies. I know it's not Meow Mix, but just want to make sure that Meow Mix, that you guys know that Meow Mix pedigree is a good brand for animals. Yeah, that's it. That's all I am doing, just feeding animals. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, I totally smacked my cat. Oh, I've never showed you the other cat. Let me grab him. He's right here. I only don't show him because like he's a shy cat. He's not my cat. He's not as cute. He's okay. He doesn't jump. You have to put him on the floor. That's the end of this video. Don't stay awesome possums. Don't forget to pick up your day. And SoSo says bye. Bye guys.